It's absolutely essential to our American way of life.
Are you talking about the blue dot on the phone?
It tells you exactly where you are.
GPS has become a vital everyday tool, from suburban drivers to international shipping, to farming, to banking, to disaster response, to those Ukrainian military units.
That is all coming from these global positioning satellites.
We built a world that runs on GPS, but most of us barely notice it's there until it breaks.
GPS. These satellites, they're very expensive. They've also become huge targets. Spoofing cases have gone from dozens a day in February to more than 1,100 per day in August.
Do we have a backup system for this currently in the United States?
Not a single backup.
The internet would go down. The economy would be tanked essentially overnight.
A system designed decades ago now holds modern life together.
And we stand today on the edge of a new frontier.
AI is causing a gigantic refresh for all sorts of tech.
Machines that see, cars that decide, cities that think.
Xona is navigational intelligence rebuilt from the ground up.
And liftoff of Falcon 9. Go transport routine.
A new class of signal.
Pulsar IOV separation confirmed.
Closer to Earth, stronger, smarter, delivering centimeter-level certainty to any device, anywhere on Earth.